Good morning, guys. I'm only doing a little bit today because I'm going to the nutrition shop. So I'm not going to do my shake or my Prolesta, but I'm going to do everything else. So ginger shot. Cheers.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. This is funny.
Super green gummies. I'm going to hurry because my kid is late for school.
Not me.
Not kidding. She's out.
Not me.
She's out and she's awake.
Dance.
Apple cider.
Look at her face. Okay, stop.
Sea moss gummies.
Get out the water. For real? What did I don't know how I'm gonna fix my hair to look professional. I'm putting my hair up in a messy bun. This stuff is crazy. Oh, you got dressed up. Your tag is coming out the back of your shirt. Fix it! Thank you, girl.
Alright. That's everything I'm going to take. I'm going to go get a shake at the shop. So you guys want to get to the shop. This boy loves some Spider-Man. They got Spider-Man everywhere in this time.
I didn't know they put Ariel's sisters in it. No.
There's too many shakes to choose from. I told you.
Purple straw. What color straw do you want?
I don't know. I think I want the big guava and cheesecake.
Hi, Mom. How are you?
This is like working at a healthy Starbucks.
Mm-hmm. Caden's got a shake.
That was cream. Dang, I should have said
I let somebody else make my shake today. This looks delicious. Guava and cheese girl. What is that face? You're not cold. She drank so much of her shake and now she's freezing.
Look, I drew AJ. Pose next to your picture, AJ.
You're so cute.
Can you try
Yeah,
those?
hold on.
Those?
You messed up.
They're white. I'm going to draw a picture of him. Stop taking it.
Why is she acting like you?
I'm gonna go get my phone. I left Chloe in the room.
Hey everybody. It's 11:30. It's 11:31 and I barely have anything on my video today because I ended up with a migraine because we were out for how long? 5-6 hours.
We dropped her off at like 10. We got home at like 4 something.
As hungry as I may be.
I just ended up with a really bad migraine while we were out, so I came home and got in my bed to make my headache go away.
It smells like syrup over here.
I took medicine and got in the bed, and now it's 11 something and my headache is finally gone. So that's
Willow's
today.
talking. Come here, Willow.
That was all. Yeah, that's it. I didn't feel good whatsoever. I didn't even cook. Look, I ordered my kids a dinner box from Pizza
Literally
Hut.
attacking me. She was on her back and she jumped up and then attacked me.
I'm gonna take all my nightly stuff now and go lay back down. So,
Say hi.
super greens.
Get away from her flowers. Move. You're banned from the flowers because you keep on eating them. What did I just tell you? No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Nope. Here's my room. Hands were up like this. And she was like, and then I stood up and I tried to run away. And she jumped up and grabbed both my legs. And now she's trying to eat your flowers. Stop.
Every time I think the days are going to get better, they get worse. But tomorrow's going to be a better day. Just had a bad headache. Why are you laughing at me?
Because every day I say it's going to be a better day and it gets worse.
I don't know why this keeps happening.
No. You should get a laser pen.
Wasabi has one.
I want to see how she, because she's already crazy. Like, imagine her with a laser pen. She would lose it. Look at your tummy. Okay. She does not like getting her tummy touched.
Migraines are like the worst thing in the world. They totally ruin like my entire day all the time.
Yeah. You should get that ear piercing.
I
told
should.
you.
There's like this piercing he gets supposed to help migraines going away, and I keep putting it off, and I should just go do it because these migraines be killing me, man.
Can they
take
see
me
her
out.
too?
Yeah. Like I was running into people today, and I couldn't even like talk because my head hurt so bad. I couldn't.
Get out the flowers.
Y'all probably think I'm mean. I'm not mean. I just didn't feel good. But I'm gonna lay back down. So tomorrow will be better. See you guys in the next video.